new video. Can my makeup survive a...
Okay, ready?
Pray for me, Madura for me. Pray I find my way.
All right, hey Fembam, welcome back. I do have a few makeup videos that I want to film, but I've been in a little bit of a rut recently or lately. I don't know, and I just wanted to do something different. So I am going to be cooking blindfolded. This video is actually inspired by He. I'm going to put a link to that channel down below, to his channel, because he did it with his girlfriend. And also inspired by all those requests that I get from you babes asking me to pick my makeup blindfolded, but instead of makeup we're doing food. Yeah, so I've also got my sister here with me who's also gonna help me. Gonna say hey. They can't see you. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So I've got my blindfold here. I have a bandana and I have this. I haven't brought out any of the food items at all, so I'm gonna have to like navigate through the kitchen to like do that, you know what I mean? And I'm just gonna cook the food that I always eat. I only eat like one type of food, and that's pancake and eggs. Yeah, so this is gonna be fun, right? Okay, and I'm not gonna cheat because I'm not a cheater. I'm competitive, but I am not a cheater. And I mainly brought my sister here so that way I'm not like alone in my apartment blindfolded. That is just not good. Like it's I don't like it. This is either gonna be a disaster or a disaster. And Liz is gonna get to like taste the food afterwards. Are you excited? What? You are gonna taste the food because it's gonna be good. Okay, so usually when I want to cook, I usually have TV on, but obviously we're doing a video, so I can't have it on. I can't see anything. It's very black. Liz, the reason why you're here is for you to talk. Don't make me feel like I'm alone in the dark.
Behind you.
What? You are? You need to talk to me constantly. I'm gonna be scared. It's so black. I don't like the darkness. Okay, so. Wow, shout out to all vision impaired boss babes who are killing it out here. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on this. No, actually, I need to wash my hand because it actually feels powdery. So the good thing is I know this kitchen like the back of my hand. So if anything moved, nothing has moved. So I know this kitchen like the back of my hand. Did I put something here, Liz? Okay. What am I looking for?
Your pan?
My pan. Thanks. I need fry pan. So we've got fry pan, and I always rinse my stuff before I use it. Even if I just washed it, I still rinse it because germs, you know. I need okay. All right. The horrible thing about this stuff, Liz, are you touching me?
I'm not touching you.
Wait, this is really weird. Like it's like my whole perspective or whatever, or perception, I don't know, has shifted. I need the bigger stove. And the horrible thing about this stuff is when you turn it on,
it's not on yet.
It can turn off. You can't help me, Liz. Okay, it sounds like it's on. It's on.
You idiot.
Is it on the stove? Okay, I just need to Oh! Jesus!
Put it on the stove.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to put it on the stove. Okay, the pan feels hot, so it's on the stove. Yeah. And now I need the egg. At least under those circumstances, do you open this and leave it open? Because that's what you would do. All right. Liz, wait. Okay, because she put the egg in the fridge, so I need eggs. Shit. So we need. Where's my countertop? So we need eggs. We need a bowl, a plate. I need fork. I put a fork here earlier. Yep. And oh my God, why am I doing this actually? This is stressful. Thank you, Lord. All right. Eggs. We need two eggs. Where are you? Liz?
Right here.
Wow, you are like a mouse. Can you speak to me? We need 2 eggs. We need 2. It's my plate. 1. Is it in? Yes, it is. 2. Why are you laughing? Is it not in? Oh my God, did I put it on the table? Ew, 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 ew. Ew. I put it on the table. Of course. Okay. 2. Yes. Usually I sometimes put shell in there because I've got man hands. I don't know how to. Oh my God, did this tap move? I don't know how to do things gently. I feel like that pan is already too hot. So I need to turn it off. I can't, but I can't. This is actually more stressful. I thought it was gonna be fun. Where are you?
Where I've been for the past 5 minutes.
Well, you're not talking to me. Can you talk to me? Okay, so now we need to whisk the egg. This is actually the easiest part. Whisking. Why does that stove still sound on? Okay, and I feel like my countertop keeps moving. So now I need the almond. Oh, I need the almond flour. The good thing is Liz just got this today, so it's in the. What the fuck happened to the door? Are you holding it, Liz? Where are you? Can you stop being an ass? Okay. All right. So I need just a little sprinkle of the almond milk. Oh Jesus! Let me. You know what? I'm gonna have to use my hand. Is it in? That's in the sink. We don't need it in the sink. You know what?
You're gonna trip on that.
Oh Jesus. We're gonna whisk this until it's a little bit thick, but not too thick, because we're making a pancake, you know? I want the, the mixture to be a little bit thick, but not too thick, because we're making a pancake. I just need a little bit more of... Liz, are you moving the plate?
No.
Okay. We are going strong. Yeah? Liz, are we going strong?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Where did you moved? Hello, can you speak?
No.
Oh, you moved that way. You were on this side before. Okay, this sounds thick, like my thighs. So I think we're, I don't know. Okay, all right, let's go back to the stove. It's not on. It sounds on, yes, that's how you know. It's okay, we just test it with my hand to see if it's, ooh, that's hot. Is he on? I don't want to cause fire, Liz. Can you tell me? Okay. So now I'm going to grab an oil spray from the pantry. It's a big, long thing. This is what she said. I didn't move it earlier, so it's right here. Elizabeth. Elizabeth, stop it. So now I'm gonna spray the pan. I'm gonna, just to be safe, I'll just take it off the stove to spray, because I don't want to spray fire. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, don't you?
Huh?
What the? You know what I mean? Yeah. Jesus Lord. So now I'm gonna pour it in the pan. Oh, that's a good sound right there. Yeah, baby. Okay, so while that is in the pan, I need to rinse my hand again. As you can see, I rinse my hand a lot. Now I'm just gonna, so it's spread out. I hope it's spread out, because I don't want it to be like shaggy into the thingy. Okay, so now we wait. Hey, Liz. So I need my flatula, which is
your flatula.
Yeah, which is basically my version of a spatula. So it's a spoon that's flat, you know. This one.
Okay.
This one. And I'm gonna rinse it. I am so tired. My neck hurts. I feel like I'm walking with my neck. All right, this is fun. This is actually really fun, Liz. Liz? Liz? Liz! Liz?
What?
Can you stop? All right, it sounds, okay. It's sounding and smelling like it's burning. I do not want that. So I need to flip it. Flip it real good. Flip it. I don't even know if I'm getting this. Oh, it feels flippable. Woo! That's a good flip. Was that a good flip?
What do you think?
I think it's a good flip. I flip well. I'm a good flipper. I'm like the dolphin. Like dolphins are quaking. I'm like a dolphin. I'm a dolphin flipping. I'm like a flipping dolphin. Like a flipper. Where are you? Liz, Liz, you're an ass. The reason why you're here is for you not to, for me not to feel alone. What the hell? Can you stop? Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. You know, now while the other side is, oh ew, that feels so wrong. While the other side is cooking, I need to, because I have the pancake with, where am I? Okay. I have the pancake with 2 eggs. So basically in total I have 4 eggs and cheese, but I don't have cheese. So I need that bowl back. I don't know why. Okay, it's right there. All right, so we need egg. 2 eggs again. I'm gonna crack this egg like a boss. Yes, straight in this, Liz, in the sink. I'm gonna crack this one like a boss. Yes, that's a good sound.
Your pancake is burning.
My pancake is burning. My pancake is burning. I need a plate. My pancake is burning. I need a... Elizabeth, so you're not here to comment on the dryness or the moistureness of my pancake.
It's burning. Hurry up.
It's burning. I should hurry up. I need to hurry up. It's burning. Where's the pancake?
The alarm is gonna go off.
Oh no. Where is it? My pancake! That is a jump of joy, not of agony. Thank you.
Gosh, it's gonna burn the house down.
I've turned on the exhaust fan, so I'll just put this aside.
Over here.
Over here. Can you help me? Thank you.
Why not? The burnt pancake.
So now I need to whisk. Oh, I'm on the stove. I need to whisk this egg. All right, is the stove stand on? Oh. That was so hot. The floor, why is the floor slippery?
You know, because you use fast water everywhere.
Yes, that sounds like the stove is on. Thank you. Let me taste this.
She's just put hay in it.
Ah.
I took it off. The oil is right here on the table. You're gonna burn the pan again. You didn't put anything in that pan.
Hi.
I'm just gonna put salt and pepper.
We don't need salt and pepper. Oh yes, I love that sound. Isn't it glorious? Oh yeah. What happened?
I'm gonna take my eyes out.
Well, why are you close to me? I need salt. There's salt in here somewhere. This is me looking for a man. Nowhere to be found. I'm not going there. Oh, I don't think there was oil in this pan.
Yeah, I told you.
You did? No,
Yeah.
you didn't.
You didn't put anything in that pan. Yeah, I did. I said you didn't put much in there. You just sprayed them.
This is really challenging. How do people do it? Why are you laughing?
Nothing. Just looking at your food.
Okay. Food is done. Are you ready to eat?
Oh, you.
You.
No, I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't look edible. One that was hay.
Where's the mayonnaise?
It's not here.
Oh, damn it. All right, here we
It's
go.
Sriracha sauce.
I don't have, it's finished. Food is done. Oh, Jesus.
How do you feel?
I feel like I accomplished something. Oh. I can't see, first of all. Oh, ew. The table is gross. You know what? The pancake looks like how it always looks. It always looks dry, but it always tastes immaculate. I don't think I did bad. Actually, it's not terrible, but this is a mess. The whole kitchen is a mess. That was fun. It was not fun. I'm not doing that again.
Does it taste?
It tastes like almond pancake that needs a little bit, that needs butter. Oh, there's hair in there.
Yeah, there's more.
Oh, there's hair in there. Oh.
It's your hair.
Yeah. Should have packed my hair up. Alright, well, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Did you enjoy doing this with me? Liz?
Sure.
Okay. I don't know if I want to eat it because I saw the hair. Thanks, Elizabeth, for helping me out. You're the MVP. Now come and taste it.
Yeah.
Just taste it.
No, thanks.
Just once.
No, there was hair in it.
Oh,
I don't like almond now.
Okay. Bye, babes.